Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a drugstore eyebrow tutorial using only affordable makeup products. I'm not sure if I've filmed something like this before, but I believe I haven't. So I really wanted to do an eyebrow tutorial using more inexpensive products because I honestly believe that you definitely do not need expensive products. Now, if you struggle with where to place like your line of your brow, where to start your brow, hold a brush against your nose towards your brow, and this way you can see where your brow needs to start. This is a super easy trick in case you're just struggling with this. And then the same way is when you again press the brush against your nose, but this time you follow the line right next to your eyelid, kind of like the outer part, and then you know where the tail needs to start. And this is where your arch should start, which is like right in the middle of your eye. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but hopefully by seeing me doing it, it kind of makes sense. Definitely make a screenshot of the screen if you want to save this for later. Now in this video, I'm going to use this brow powder plus divine pen from Essence. I will only be using the divine pen side of the pencil because I feel like that's enough. But then I also use the Tinted Brow Mascara from NYX Cosmetics, and I'll be using this e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer to make my eyebrow look more clean. Now starting with the Essence pencil, and I'm going to use this to fill in my brow, and I'm going to show you how I do this. I first always like to start with kind of creating a soft line underneath the brow, starting at the beginning part of my brow. Then after that, I kind of brush my brush up with a really light hand. I don't want to create a super thick and dark brow. That's not the style that I'm going for. If you personally do like more of a bolder brow, just follow the same steps but press a little bit harder with the pencil brush against your skin, so more color pigmentation will get onto your skin. So I'm just following the natural line of my brow, but like I told you guys at the beginning part of the video, if you struggle with deciding the shape of your brow, you can follow the tips that I gave at the beginning and kind of following that guideline that I gave you guys. So I'm just gonna fill everything in. Then I went in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer, and I'm gonna use a flat brush. I believe the one that I'm using is from MAC, the 242 if I'm not mistaken, but I will link it down in the description bar. And I'm just gonna apply concealer underneath the brow, starting again at the beginning underneath the brow and then just following the whole line underneath. I definitely feel like concealer makes a huge difference. I have to say, on a regular day, I don't do this. I just fill in my brows, apply a little bit of brow gel, and I'm good to go. But when I want to put a little bit more effort, I like to also use a little bit of concealer underneath my brow because it just makes everything look so much more clean and crisp, like you just came back from a brow wax. So this is something I only do when I have a little bit more time or just want to spend more time on my makeup, but it's optional. It's not necessary to achieve a beautiful brow look, but if you want, of course you can do it. Then I went in with this Tinted Brow Mascara from NYX Cosmetics, which I really like, and I'm using this along my lashes, not my lashes, my brow hairs. And I like to go in with a brow gel which makes my hairs a little bit darker than the brow pencil that I used, so it looks like the hairs are standing out in comparison with the color underneath, if that makes sense. It just makes it look a little bit more natural in my opinion. So here you could see the before and after, and that's the end of the video. Like I said, I feel like you don't need expensive products to create a beautiful brow result. So if you want me to do another video, maybe using some recommendations that you guys have, definitely let me know. I could do more of a affordable soapy brow look. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.